I am Professor Dr. Sachidanand Prasad, Head of the Department of Chemistry, PNK College Achua, Paliganj, Patna. Today I want to explain the application of CFT in the properties of complex compound, which is very useful for the students of ISC, BSc and also of chemistry of and also of PG students of chemistry and other persons who want to gain knowledge of chemistry. If useful to you, like, share and subscribe the video. Applications of CFT. Stability of complex compound. The crystal field crystallization energy CFAC governs the stability of complex compound in octahedral and tetrahedral cases. The total energy due to T2g and Dg orbitals obtained after splitting of d orbitals is called crystal field stabilization energy CFAC. In octahedral field for D1, D2 and D3 configuration are the same in strong crystal field or weak crystal field and unaffected by the value of 0 delta O. The crystal field splitting in case of D1 configuration, the CFAC value of the complex equal minus 0.4 n T2g plus 0.6 n Eg into delta O कल हो गया माइनस 0.4 इंटू 1 प्लस 0.6 इंटू 0 डेल्टा O इक्वल माइनस 0.4 डेल्टा O. Similarly, in D2 CFAC equal minus 0.8 delta O and in D3 CFAC equal हो गया minus 1.2 delta O. But in D4 configuration, filling of electrons depends on nature of weak field, strong field and value of delta O. If the value of delta O is small, the electron will prefer to remain unpaired and the configuration will be T2g 3Eg1. But if delta O is large, pairing of electrons take place in T2g orbitals and configuration becomes T2g Eg0, T2g4 Eg0 as given in figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. Figure 1. Configuration for D1, D2 and D3 in both weak and strong field. All electrons are in T2g subset. Figure 2. Configuration of D4 in weak field case. 3 electrons are in T2g and 1 electron is in Eg subset. Figure 3. Configuration of D4 in strong field case. 4 electrons are in T2g subset and vacant Eg subset. The CFAC value for weak field case equal minus 0.4 n T2g plus 0.6 n Eg into delta O इक्वल हो गया minus 0.4 into 3 plus 0.6 into 1 delta into delta O इक्वल हो गया minus 0.6 delta O. In strong field case, CFAC value equal minus 0.4 n T2g plus 0.6 n Eg into delta O इक्वल हो गया minus 0.4 into 4 plus 0.6 into 0 equal minus 1.6 delta O. Thus, complex formed by weak field ligand is less stable than the complex formed by strong field ligand. For example, COCN whole 6 3- ion is more stable than CONH3 whole 6 3+ ion because Cn- ion is a strong field ligand than NH3 molecule ligand, and CFSE value for COCN whole 6 3- ion is higher than CuNH3 whole 6 3+ ion. In both the complex D6 configuration of CO3+ ion are as given below. CONH3 whole 6 3+ ion, CFSE equal minus 0.4 into 4 plus 0.6 into 2 into delta O इक्वल हो गया माइनस 0.4 डेल्टा ओ COCN होल 6 3- ion CFSE इक्वल 0.64 into 6 प्लस 0.6 into 0 into डेल्टा ओ इक्वल हो गया -2.4 डेल्टा ओ।